Hello friends and welcome back. Today we are doing another 15-minute body doubling cleaning video. I'm going to put a timer up on the screen today because I need to buy myself a little timer guide, but that works just fine. And I've had an extremely long day and I need to get something done in this living room and I can't quite pinpoint where I want to start, what I want to do. So I'm just going to actually let the ADHD fully flow through me and take over. And we're just going to see what I accomplish in 15 minutes. I have no hopes, goals, or dreams besides getting it looking a little bit better than it was, and then I'm gonna sit down the rest of the day. I've been outside in that heat all day and I'm a little bit over it. So get up, pick your chore, get yourself a drink if you need one, and let's get going. Come on, time to get up. I know, I don't want to either. I just found a 15-minute timer with no music because I get distracted by music sometimes. Okay. 15 minutes has started. I've been staring this table in the face, so I think this is where I'm gonna start. I don't even want to look in the kitchen. Okay, so I got all of the donate out. This was just stuff I wasn't sure if a few of my family members wanted, so I was waiting until they gave me their answers. They do not want them, so these will also get donated. Yay! Okay. So this will all... This could actually be something oh Lord, where do I even put all this? Okay, that's fine. You just stay there. I always feel like I have to get the couch done first because that sets the tone for the whole room. If the couch is unruly, I feel like the whole living room is unruly. Ridiculous, maybe. You guys are sitting where the other pillow goes, so hopefully I don't knock you over. Oh God. Where do I set this? This kitchen's a disaster too. Bless you. I had somebody ask me the other day about why I haven't done another clean and talk video. I talk about things that have been on my mind in my clean and talks, and I haven't really had anything that warrants a whole clean and talk video. So if there's any subjects or things you guys have been thinking about lately, let me know. Maybe I could do one on something you guys are thinking about. Kylo, please stop with the toy. You're driving me nuts. Child's backpack. It's close to back to school time already. Perfect. It was quite literally super hot earlier, and now it looks like it wants to downpour. I love rain, so I'm here for it. Recycle, recycle, recycle. cute. Not recycle. Recycle. Not recycle. Okay. There, the mail has been sorted. I don't know what this was from. That's a Kelly item. If you were in my Clutter Not Live, I painted my little staircase, and I haven't really moved that staircase. Well, it's sitting over there right now, but I still have all the paints and stuff out from it. But hey, 5 minutes has gone by and I'm almost done with the table. Heck yeah, that's what I like. Couch is done. This is my sit-in blankie, so you go right there. Well, this wasn't donate, this was laundry. But I think Kelly started to put donate in there, so that's gonna need to be resorted at a later date. I'm really trying to get in the mindset of don't put it down, put it away. Just do it. Which is a little difficult when I don't really know where to put things away at, but if it doesn't have a home and I can't find it a home, does it really need to be in my home? All the dishes. Any more dishes? Ooh, there's trash. Okay. Recycle. Recycle. That needs to get cleaned expeditiously. Does anybody else have a Velcro dog like Kylo? Please stop with the squeaky. Gonna lose my mind. Tiny little baby. All of this, okay, so in order to get all these pots back to their home, I need to go clean that. So this is done for now. Don't put it down, put it away. Where did this even come from? Don't put it down, put it away. Put it away, put it away. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see the desk. What do you want to see more, the desk or the timer? I'm just gonna clear the desk so you guys can see the timer still. We've got 7 minutes. I think I can get the desk done in 7 minutes. You guys should be like focused on your chore, not what I'm doing over here. Right? Don't put it down, put it away. I've almost set the same item in like 4 different spots. That's why I keep repeating that to myself. School paperwork. God. Oh, I have to fill this out before school? Can we just talk about, just for a second, how difficult back to school time is for, first off, everybody. Teachers, kids, parents. And I'm realizing that as a single parent, again, it is less, I honestly want to say it's less challenging than it was when he was little. I'm also donating these because I don't use them. This is the donate. But it is harder to find transportation the older he gets. What are you eating? What is that? Dog. Oh my God. So I've had a full-blown crash out over transportation because it was genuinely the worst experience of my life trying to find a way for him to get home from school. I can take him to school, not a problem. But getting him back was going to be the challenge. I found something, luckily. Oh my God, that commercial scared me. But still, it was very hard. So if you've had a crash out about back to school, you're not alone, babes. You're not alone. Maybe if you have a video on YouTube that's a timer, we disable the mid-roll ads for that. Should I make a timer on my page that doesn't have mid-roll ads? Because you're messing with my time and my productivity, friend. Skip. I mean, you gave me a little extra time, but like, come on now. I'm almost done, I'm almost done. It's a race, it's a race. Okay, speed, 4.5 minutes, speed. I'm racing the clock. Don't put it down, put it away. Don't put it down, put it away. Don't put it down, put it away. 4 minutes. Oh my God. Oh my God, there's so much to organize over here. It's okay, it's okay. You got it. Set it right here, get this task done. Three and a half minutes. How's everybody doing? Checking in. 3 minutes and 17 seconds. Okay. Trying to make it some organizing things as I go and not just shoving, because I really get into a bad habit of shoving things, giggity, in places they don't belong. Giggity. These dishes are atrocious. I forgot that you have a home over here too. You were getting watered, you beautiful little baby. Okay. This is looking pretty good. 2 minutes. I want to get the recycles, put where the recyclables go. And then I think I'm pretty happy with it. So here. Trash, 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 trash. All right. These are the stairs I was talking about. I painted You need painted again, so. Yeah. I think everybody is going through this phase of like decluttering right now, because everyone I asked if they wanted any of Kelly's like stuff, they all said absolutely not. I just got rid of a bunch of my kids' stuff or things of that nature. Here, child. I'm racing, hurry up, take it. Okay, you also go over here. Oh, that's gonna have to get taken out immediately. That's already overwhelming as heck to look at. Okay. 41 seconds. This will be recycle. Trash. Choo, choo, choo. Choo, choo. Sorry. Done. Hey, that looks a heck of a lot better. All right, that is it. We got the table done. We got the couch and the computer area done. And of course, the desk. That's good for me. In 15 minutes, and I've been putting that off for like, well, I haven't really been putting it off. People didn't want my stuff, so now I have to go take it. And I just learned that people don't want my stuff yesterday, so it'll get taken care of now. So I hope you guys accomplished whatever chore you picked, and I hope you realize 15 minutes is definitely enough time to get something done, and then do whatever else you want for the rest of the evening or whatever time of day it is for you. So thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one. I still have Kylo's bandana that I had to put away. It was the last thing I had to put away. All right, bye.